Have you heard about the latest launch in the smartphone market in India? No? Well, brace yourself because Realme has just rolled out its new P1 series, featuring two models aimed at shaking up the mid-range segment. The Realme P1 and its more advanced sibling, the P1 Pro, are both packed with features that promise to deliver an unrivaled user experience. They each boast a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, ensuring that your visuals are crisp and vibrant. But it's not just about looks. These smartphones come with powerful processors that guarantee a smooth and seamless operation. With up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, these devices are ready to handle everything from your everyday tasks to your most demanding apps. And for those of you who are keen on staying up to date, both models run on Android 14 operating system. What's more, Realme promises 2 years of operating system upgrades, along with 3 years of security patches. So, you can rest assured that your smartphone will stay modern and secure. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Realme P1 and P1 Pro are equipped with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, perfect for capturing those high-quality, Instagram-worthy photos. To ensure that you can use your smartphone all day without worrying about running out of power, both models come with a 5000 mAh battery. And with 45W fast charging support, you can top up your battery in no time. So what about the price? The Realme P1 is priced under 20,000 rupees, while the P1 Pro falls under 25,000 rupees. But that's not all. Realme has some tempting sale offers too. There are discounts available on select bank cards, with the sale starting on April 30th via Flipkart. In summary, the Realme P1 and P1 Pro are two impressive mid-range smartphones that offer a host of features at a competitive price point. With an attractive display, powerful processors, ample storage, the latest Android OS, a high-quality camera, long-lasting battery, fast charging support, and tempting sale offers, these devices are sure to make waves in the Indian smartphone market. So, mark your calendars and get ready for April 30th.